children. How are you? Very good. Are you finished your previous class homework? Additions and subtractions. Once check your answers, children. Take out your worksheet. Page number 9. Page number 9. Check the answers. Okay, children. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next, 1 plus 9, 10. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. Very good. Next, 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. Next, 5 plus 6 is 11. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 1 is 16. 9 plus 8 is 15 plus 16. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Next, 6 plus 7, 13. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 1 is 16. 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 1 is 14. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay. Next, 8 plus 4 is 12. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Very good. 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1, 13. So what is the answer? 13,302. Check these answers, children. Next, subtractions. Page number 10, subtractions, Nana. 9 minus 8 is 1. 0 minus 2, not possible. So, borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is, very good, 8. 2 minus 5, not possible. So, borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next, 0 minus 8, not possible. So, we should take borrow from tens place. But in tens place also it is 0. So, what we should do? We should take borrow from hundreds. Can we take borrow from hundreds to ones directly or hundreds to tens after that ones? Yes, hundreds to tens, after that tens to ones. Don't take directly from hundreds to ones place. So here 8 hundreds are there. If you take 1 from 8, 7. And here 0 tens are there. We are taking 100. It is nothing but 10 tens. 10 plus 0 is 10. Again we should take 1 10 from 10 tens. So if you take 10, how much is left? 0. Very good. 6 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Got the same answer? Yes. 9 minus 6. 3. 2 minus 2. 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay children, what is the answer? 4403. Simple subtraction. There is no borrow. 1 minus 8. Not possible. So borrow from 4. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 7 is 6 minus 7. How much? Not possible. So borrow from 8. 8 becomes 7 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is how much? 16 minus 7? 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. So what is the answer? 3913. Next, 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1? 8. Again, 9 minus 1 is 8. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So what is the answer? 8888. And the last one is 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9, how much? Not possible. So borrow from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is 14 minus 9, how much? 5. 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 is not possible. So again borrow from 5. 13 minus 5 is very good, 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. So what is the answer? 4085. So these are the subtractions. So once pause the video and check the answers. Okay children? Next, today we are going to learn multiplications. So what is the symbol of multiplication? What is the symbol of multiplication? Yes, it is nothing but into. Understood? So into is the symbol of multiplication. Okay children? Practice zone 9. Find the total number of pencils in different boxes in a stationery shop. Here they are given multiplications like a table. See here in this table, color of the box. So in red color box, 142 pencils are there in each box. And how many boxes are there? 12 boxes. Then you have to find the total number of pencils. So total number of pencils means we should not do addition. Understood? Simply total means we will think it as addition. But here in one box 142 pencils are there. In one box 142 pencils are there. Then how many pencils in 12 boxes? In one box 142 pencils are there. So for example, I gave same number of chocolates to all the children. Understood? Same number of chocolates to all the children. In our class total 30 members are there. Total 30 members are there. I gave 5 chocolates to each student. Then how many chocolates I gave? I gave 5 chocolates to each student. Each student got 5 chocolates. And there are 30 students. Then how many chocolates I distributed? 35s are 150. 150. So total 30 students are there. So how many chocolates I gave? 150 chocolates. How did you get that 150? It is nothing but multiplication. Total means not only addition. So actually multiplication is nothing but repeated addition only. Now see here, 142 pencils are there in one box. How many pencils are there in one box? 100 are there. So total how many boxes are there? Number of boxes are 12. That means in one box 142 pencils. In second box also 142 pencils. In third box also 142. Fourth box 142. In fifth box 142. Sixth box, seventh box, eighth box, ninth box, 10th box, 11th box and 12th box. So in these 12 boxes 142 pencils are there. So if you add these, you will get the total number of pencils. That means repeatedly you are adding the same number. Understood? Repeatedly you are adding the same number. That means it is nothing but repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Understood? Instead of adding 12 times, you can multiply 142 into 12. This is simple method. Understood? Repeatedly we are adding the same number. That is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So to find the total number of pencils in given number of boxes, we have to do the multiplication. So first one, red color box. In red color box, 142 pencils are there and 12 boxes are there. Number of boxes are 12. Understood? Number of boxes are 12. Now we have to find the total number of pencils. All of you take a rough notebook and otherwise look at the board. 142 into 12. Here multiplication by 3-digit number and 2-digit number. Multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. So first we should start multiplication from ones place digit. What is the ones place digit here? 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. So multiplication by ones place digit is completed. So when you are starting multiplication by tens place digit, you have to put either into or 0 under ones place. You can put either into or 0, your wish. So 0 under ones place, because 1 in tens place. Now when we are multiplying by tens place digit, we should put 0 under ones place. Now 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition now. So we have to do, now what we have to do? Now we have to do addition. So 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. So 1 is carry over and 0. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. And here 1. So how many pencils are there? 1704 pencils in 12 boxes. Red color pencils. In each box 142 pencils are there. 12 boxes are there. Then 1704 pencils are there in 12 boxes. Okay children. Next one, yellow color. Yellow color. This is practice on 9 Nana. I forgot to write the exercise number. Practice on 9. Yellow color. 225 pencils are there in 225 pencils are there in each box. and there are 28 boxes. 28 boxes are there. Now we have to find how many pencils are there in 28 boxes. In each box 225 pencils are there. Then how many pencils are there in 28 boxes? So for that, do the multiplication. 225 into 28. 8 5s are 40. Here 2 digits are there now, so right is side. Cancel ones place digit and write down. Next 8 2s are 16. And what is this for? Carryover, no? So we have to add carryovers. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So again cancel 0 and write down. Next 8 2s are 16 plus 2 is 18. Here not there any digit in thousands place, no? So directly we should write 18. Directly we should write 18. Now multiplication by tens place digit. So put 0 under ones place. 2 5s are 10. So 2 digits are there, cancel 0 and write down. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 2s are 4. There is no carryover. So 2 2s are 4. Now do the addition. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So how many pencils are there in 28 boxes? 6,300 pencils in 28 boxes. And next, orange color. Orange color. In each orange color box, 215 pencils are there, and there are 32 orange color boxes are there. There are 32 orange color boxes are there. Now we have to find how many pencils are there in 32 boxes. So do the multiplication. 215 into 32. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2, and carryover is 1. Carryover means what we should do? Add. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 4. Again into or 0. Either into, we can keep either into or 0 on the ones place. Now 3 5s are 15. So cancel 5 and write down. 3 1s are 3. Plus 1 is 4. 3 2s are 6. Is there any carryover? Okay, so write 6. Now addition. 0. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And this is 6. So what is the answer? 6,880 orange color pencils are there. And next, blue. In blue color box, in each box 322 pencils are there, and there are 16 boxes. There are 16 blue color boxes are there. In each box 322 pencils are there. So total how many pencils? 16 boxes. Here also we should do the multiplication. 6 2s are 12. So 2, cancel 2 and write down. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19. So directly we should write 19 because there is no digit in thousands place. Next, multiplication by 1. 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are very good 2, 1 threes are 3. Now 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 is carry over and 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the answer? 5,152 pencils are there in blue color boxes. And the last color is black. Black. Here 452 black color boxes are there. In each box 24 pencils are there. Then how many pencils are there? Okay. 452 into 24. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. So 2 digits are there right hand side. Cancel 0 and write down. 4 fours are 16 plus 2 is 18. So write 18. There is no digit. So don't write any carryover. Next, multiplication by 2. 2 in tens place. So put into under ones place. 2 twos are 4. 2 fives are 10. Again 2 digits are there. So cancel 0 and write down. 2 fours are 8 plus 1 is 9. Now do the addition. 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So how many pencils are there in black color boxes? 10,848 pencils are there. Understood, children? So copy these answers in textbook. So you have to copy these answers in textbook. And now open your worksheet. Open your worksheet, page number 12. Page number 12, 14th problem. Once listen 14th problem. Find the product of all the numbers from 0 to 100. So once again I will read the question. Listen carefully. Find the product of all the numbers from 0 to 100. So we have to find the product of all the numbers from 0 to 100. So what are the numbers from 0 to 100? Say numbers from 0 to 100. From 0 to 100. That means we have to take 0. We have to include 0 and 100 also. So what are the numbers from 0 to 100? From 0 to 100. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 98, 99, 100. So all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on 100. Now we have to find the product of these numbers. So product means what we should do? Product is nothing but multiplication. So multiplication, what is the symbol of multiplication? Into. 0 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into and so on 98, 99 into 100. Now we have to find the product. So we have to multiply all these numbers. 0 into 1 is 0 into 1 is 0. And simple logic, if you multiply any number 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 10 is 0. 0 into 90 is also 0. 0 into any number. You can take any number. So 0 into any number is 0 only. So here product of 0, 1, 2, 3. That means we have to multiply each and every 75 till 100. What is the product? 0 into 1 is 0. Again 0 into 2 is 0. Again 0 into 3 is 0. 0 into 4 is also 0. 0 into 5 is also 0. 0 into 98 is also 0. Again 0 into 99 is also 0. 0 into 100 is also 0. So what is the answer here? Yes, it is nothing but 0. So what is the answer? 0. And remember one thing, if you multiply any number by 0, you will get 0 only. Understood? 0 into any number is 0. Understood, children? Okay, once open page number 11. In page number 11, multiply the following numbers. 12th problem, multiply the following numbers. Two multiplications are there. So do these two multiplications as homework. Understood? Only two problems. 678 into 24. 865 into 24. Page number 11. Page number 11, 12th bit in workbook. In workbook. Along with these sums, you have to learn tables. Understood? So if you learn the tables perfectly, then only you can do the multiplications. So learn 2 to 10 tables. 10 tables. Second table to 10th table. You have to learn these tables. Every day you